This conference will now be recorded.
Fine.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, yes, please. So, Janya, tell me.
Sir, yeah, on the other day, like in the fixed percentage method, when I try to do this allocation, that was posted to a different account. Like when we allocate journal, in the journal, it was posted to accounts payable account, something like that.
Okay. So, what could be the reason? Okay, that is your doubt.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Fine. So, while mapping destination, you have not mapped properly. I will show you that one where went wrong.
Okay. I posted for 40,000 amount, but it was posted for 13,600, and from there it was allocated based on that
Yeah,
13,600 only.
yeah, I will show you that one.
Okay, sir.
So, you need to verify some setups. I will show you that one now. Okay, fine. So, let me show you that one where it is, what it is. So while mapping, you need to map properly like destination and source and destination properly. That's what you may do. You may did mistake. Okay, fine. Let me show you where it is available. Let it be loading. Let me take duplicate. It is taking some time. If it is computation, it will be faster. From tomorrow onwards, new company creation process will be shown. Please don't miss the session. Okay. Fine. That is most important. Fine. Now see, if I go to general ledger allocations, ledger allocation rules. So you need to verify, suppose this one, you need to verify first source is the account is perfect or not. Okay, after this one, you can open from here also destination, or you can open from here. In this destination, suppose for first one you have mapped 602230. For the second one you have mapped something else, then it will go to different account. Got it, Saujanya?
Sir, actually, I created a new account and have mapped the same account to all the
If you do,
departments.
you have system.
Yes, sir.
So can you share your screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. I'm making you presenter. Fine. Now you can share your screen. Yeah. So yeah. So 20%. Next one. Show me next one. 601340. Fine. Next one. 430. Next one. Okay. Fine. Close. So you have created. Now close this one.
1 second.
Close this screen. Yeah. No problem. Now go to source. Like this is destination where you have mapped ledger allocation rule. Close. So let me see the source. It's fine. Now do a transaction and show me. So from where went wrong, show me first. Where you are thinking like there is some issue in where you have observed like differently. Yeah, already transaction exists or new transaction? Okay, no problem. New transaction. Create.
Shall I create a new account, sir?
No, not required. Show me that whatever you have observed like there is a went wrong. Show me the transaction. Or where you have observed like it was posted differently. So go to trial balance and show me. Go to trial balance rather than this one. Escape first. You need to click on escape, otherwise it will not come out. Now go to trial balance. Cancel. Now enter like so on which date you have posted this this month only, am I right?
Yes,
Click
sir.
on calculate. Click on calculate balances. Now filter by that account 601430. Filter by 601430. Transactions, click on the transaction at the top. So it was posted properly, like 1 second. 1360, 1 minute. 5340. 1 minute. It is only 10,000 posted. Huh? So
13,600 is posted, sir.
okay. Fine. Now go to the first browser. Wait. Go to the first browser. Show me. Like close this one. Show me the source. Like sorry. Go to the general tab. Go to the general tab. General tab. What is the method you have used? Percentage. Am I right? Fixed percentage. Okay. Now create a one more transaction and we'll see that one transaction. Go to the second browser and yeah, third browser. Take that third browser. One more. Now create one more transaction for the same account. and show me for 40,000. Try to post once again one more 40,000. Okay. Now what is the next step? You did it.
Process allocation request.
Okay. So what is the rule you have selected?
Tax, sir.
Okay, tax. Show me that one, the first one, browser. Is it a tax only?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now do it. Okay, fine. One second, don't post, process only. From the
Oh,
options, proposal, options. Yeah, next one. Yeah, next one, the next proposal only. Yeah. So click on, one second. Okay, fine, no problem. Now go to the allocation journals. Show me that one, how it is showing.
okay.
Last one. Yeah. Wait. So it was already some transactions are there. So those transactions are hitting once again. Understood? So it will be distributed once again for all.
Okay.
Got it? Got it? So
But
go up. Yeah, go up. I'll tell you, go up. No, from here only. Scroll up. One second. Show me. It is 27,000. One second. 27,200 posted earlier. It was divided into like this. So next one, 9,924. Scroll down, and 1837. So see the amounts. It is 601430. Whatever it is there. Okay, like go up completely. It is already 40,000 you have posted. Am I right?
yes, sir. And it was posted to this account 221240. Income taxes payable.
Okay, 1 minute. Then from where it is coming? Okay, this 601430 you have created by you only or someone else?
I only created, sir.
Okay, go to the first one, ledger allocation rule. 1 minute. So multiplication option 0.034. What is that?
Is this one mathematical?
So you have used some already existing one, you have modified, huh?
Already existing tax rule. I have yes modified.
If you create that one freshly, that will be good. Always there is a 0.34 calculation is there, multiplication.
Okay.
So this
Okay.
is some other calculations. I mean to say, for taxes we need to distribute differently. So that is the reason they have applied like 0.34 0.34. That is the reason it is calculating 0.34%.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
So
create a new one
create a
tomorrow.
new rule.
Yeah, create a new rule and verify it will work properly.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Fine. Yeah.
Okay, sure. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Fine. I'm stopping sharing. I'm sharing my screen.
Okay, sir.
Fine. Okay. So one more important topic I need to discuss with you. It is most important. So this may not be, you are not going to face this issue, may not be by you recently, but in later on, I mean to say, after you are getting some experience, whenever you are becoming experienced guy, then you will get this kind of challenges. But in advance, I'm telling you here. Okay, opening balance. Try to understand. Okay, minimum another 1 month, 1.5 months it may take time for your course. Okay, just give me a minute. I'm sorry. Till now, whatever you have learned and whatever you are going to learn in next coming month is most important. Okay, don't miss the classes from now onwards. You have learned 0 to 9 or 0 to 19 or 0 to 29. Now you are learning, like it is, your knowledge will be increased a lot from this from today onwards, a lot. Okay, important sessions, most important. Take the example in real time scenario. You are going to get trial balance from the customer. While doing opening balances, you need to get trial balance, means 110, 180, 110, 110, next 110, 120, 110, 130, like this, 120, 100, 120, 500, 400, next 131, 300, 131, 100, 131, 200, 13, like 140, 100, and so on. 140, 200, and 150, 100, 150, 200, 180, 100, 180, 200, next 200, 110, 200, 120, 210, 200, like this, 210, 300, like this. You are getting balances. You will get asset balances and liability balances. Here asset, not asset, it is debit amount, this is credit amount. Okay, now it is 300, 100, 300, 200, like this. It is middle of the business, definitely 400, 100, 400, 200, 400, 300, 500, 100, 500, 200, 600, 100, 600, 200, and so on, 700, 100, 700, 200, and 800, 100, 800, 200, 820, 100, 820, 300, like this. You are getting ledger accounts. This is like Give me a second. Let me insert one column here. Okay, this is maybe 25,000. This is 35,000, 28,000, something like, and so on. This is 15 lakhs, 35,000, 255, something, and it is 25 lakhs, 58,905, something, 30,300, something, 25 lakhs, 15,789. This is credit. It is 1,56,789 credit. This is something. Okay, 25,000 or 25,500, 55,234, something, and like this you are getting balances. At last, this is some XXX amount. Same XXX amount should be tallied. Understood? This is trial balance. Everyone understood? Any confusion here? This is a trial balance you will receive from the customer, and it should be tallied. Always it should be tallied. Okay, now actually this is 130-100. Suppose 130-100 and 130-200. This is accounts receivable domestic, and this is accounts receivable international. 2 lakhs, 23 lakhs, 45,000, 560, something. Actually, this is all customer balances. This is customer A, customer B, customer C, customer D, customer E, customer F, something. The sum of all these customer balances will be shown here as a balance. Understood? This is customer account summary account. This is customer A balance XXX. This is YYY. This is ZZZ, something BBB. I'm just writing A and some NN, something. All the sum should be equal to this one. This is each customer balance summed up and it was posted to this account. That is summary account. So in the system, if you go to accounts receivable module, collapse all, setup, like customer posting profiles, we are mapping summary account. One 130, 200, 100, whatever it may be. So it is posting to this account. Whenever you are posting customer account, it is posting to customer account. So all the sum of the balances is equal to this one. Am I right? Agree? Everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It should be. Am I right? If it is not tallied, can you tally it?
Sir, we
If
cannot.
it is not tallied, huh? Who will tally? Who will do this one? If it is not
User.
tallying, the
User
business
should-
user. the business user accountant need to do it. While collecting balances, customer will give this one balances separately, and this balances separately will be given. It will be given as a separately. Okay. So remember, don't take this balance. This is red. Don't take this one. Take a side and try to pull this balance only. If it is not tallied, okay, take a one account. This is most important for senior people. If you are becoming a senior person, you need to remember. You need to create one 900 100 opening balance difference. Okay, 900 100. So trial balance will not be like, it will be tallied, but it will post to some account, this account. The difference, you are taking these balances, but this is the summary account. This sum of these balances is not tallying with this one. So try to map this account as a opening balance and post this account. Then this value should be 0 always. If it is this two tallied, the sum of the customer balances is equal to customer summary account, then this will become 0. If in case differences, it will post to that account. So don't take this balance. If you take this balance in the system, then trial balance will be tallied. Trial balance will be tallied means without anything, then it will create problems later on. This sum of the balances should not be tallied with this one, then it will create problems to you. This is customer balances. In the same manner, like vendor balances. Vendor A, vendor B, vendor C, vendor D, vendor E, some values. The sum of these balances is not equal to this one. Don't enter this balance. It should be red. Don't enter this balance. Try to enter these balances. If these two, sum of the balances is not tallied with this one, that is not your headache. Understood? These all are customer balances. This is summary account, some customer summary account. This is vendor summary account. Got it? The sum of these balances is not tallying. It is not your headache. It is accountant's headache. And you need to upgrade the balances of this account, and offset account should be 900 100, whatever it is entered here. If you want, you can make like here opening balances, opening balance for customer, opening balance for vendor, create like this. Okay, now for this you need to map offset account while posting 900 100 offset account, and for this, sorry, this is 900 200 for vendors. And for the above 900 100 offset account. So this should be 0, am I right? Agree with me? If this difference is coming, means it is not your headache, your accountant headache. All the sum of the balances should be tallied with this balance. That is accountant's responsibility, it is not your responsibility. In the same manner, for inventory, you can create one more account, 900 300, opening balance for inventory, and here you need to map for 140 100 means item 1, item A, item B, item C, item D, item E, like this. You need to enter 900 300 offset account. Remember, customer balances will be tallied properly, 90%. This will be tallied. Vendor balances 90%, 95%, it will be tallied, 99% tallied. There is no problem. This will not be tallied. In general, item A. Item A means 10 quantity at the rate of 350. I will take this one as a separate screen. I'm taking this one into separate screen for items. This is one of the biggest challenge for you and for your account, for you and your colleague, logistics consultant. So here 10 quantity 10, it is 250. 25 quantity, 45 quantity, 56 quantity, 34 quantity, 35 quantity, something. It is 315, 345, 455, 6, something, 651, 41, something. Okay, then it is equal to this multiply with this one. Total is equal to sum of. So 67,634. But in the finance, this ledger account is given 67,634. Here 57,000 are 75,230 is given. This 75,230 is not equal to 67,634. It is not tallying. Can you sit together and can you verify? You and your T&L consultant can sit and together can we verify? Is it possible? In finance, it was given, this is the inventory value. Finance given the inventory value like this. This is 140 100. Your stores department, the customer side stores department, they have given this one. This is you have collected from finance accountant. And this is given stores department. Understood? This is inventory value from finance given like this amount, and you have collected from your friend T&L consultant, collected the inventory valuation like this. Is it tallied by you? Can you tally it?
No, sir.
So who will tally this one?
Accounts team and a stores team, they have to reconcile and they have to get.
Exactly. This is a challenge. Why I'm telling this one? When I'm attending interviews, they will ask questions first. After that, they will come back to me this issue because they are not able to resolve the issue. And they will ask like this, slowly they will come to this point. And I will inform them whether are you asking about, are you really interviewing me, or are you going to clarify your doubts from me? Then he will come to me like, sir, I'm facing challenges, please help me. Actually, they will schedule a call and they will tell like, sir, we will give you whatever you want, and they will schedule a call because what they are doing, they are facing challenges. He is interviewer, I'm attending interview. So from not now, from last 4 or 5 years, I have blocked my my resume, to be frankly. But earlier, I'm getting calls and they will ask like, I'm facing this challenge. It is not tallying. If you enter this 14 like 140 100 75 230, if you have entered here, you are in a great trouble. Even after 6 months, 1 year, you cannot tally. So don't enter this one. Don't enter. Remove it. Enter only balances, inventory balances, only item wise. So the difference will be posted to this account. Let it be posted. What is this balance difference is? It is accountants, your accountants, because you are joining in this company and this is the client. Now you should be very much clear. You are working in this company, software company. You don't have any authorization of this application. And in this client, there is accountants, there are stores people. So they need to discuss, stores people and accountants, they need to discuss, they need to sit together and they need to arrive which balance is correct and which balance. If it is required, they can modify. It is not 250, it is 200, 355. They can modify and they can adjust to reach this value. This I cannot, being an external consultant, being a consultant, finance consultant or T&L consultant, you cannot have authority to change the balance of this amounts. Agree? Increase this value. It is not reaching. So they will modify. And suppose this is not 35, this is 55. That is a mistake. Let them modify. Not 45, it is 45 something. Not 55, 45. Then it is reaching. Okay, this is not 51, 55, it is 50 only. And this is 25 only. So this is, I cannot modify these balances. Agree? This is their responsibility. Stores department and accounts department and stores department sit together and they need to verify the balance. Got it, everyone? This is biggest challenge. Of course, for you, you may not face this challenge. Your senior may face challenge. Your senior may face this challenge, this kind of challenge. So what are the balances like this? All customer balances, summary account should not be entered, and item transactions. Next one is fixed assets. Fixed assets. So you should not post the balance fixed assets. So remove this one and enter fixed asset 1. laptop 1, laptop 2. You will understand this one, fixed assets later, the same. So you should not enter like this. This is one of the module it is pending. You need to learn. So while doing this implementation, customer balances, vendor balances, item balance, opening balance. Okay, then fixed assets. Next, bank accounts. Usually bank accounts will not create problems. All these balances will not be tallied properly from subledger to ledger. Major problem you will face this one, because customer balances and vendor balances, this is handled by accountants only. They will have their own control. But whereas item transactions is this is finance department is different from logistics different, stores department is different. So there is a lot of, see, bank account very minute. Usually it will be tallied, and 90% to 95% majorly tallied. Majority situations it will be tallied. This is majority, it will be not tallied. Okay, all these things is it creates a lot of problems. Understood? If it is tallied well and good, your life is very happy. If it is not tallied, your situation is very tough. Getting my point, everyone? Any questions, any confusion here? Are you able to follow me or not? Understood? Or any questions here? I will proceed with another topic, PDC. If it is not completed today, then later we will understand PDC. It is a small one only. Okay, fine. So now is it clear, everyone? At least can anyone unmute? At least you are able to hear my voice. Yes or no?
Yes, sir, we can hear.
Yes.
Go to sheet number 2, sir.
Yeah.
So if my inventory balances are, there is a mismatch, when I do the transactions, my profit, it will have an impact on the profit, no, sir? How to reconcile it later, sir?
See, this is opening balance. Are you talking about opening balance or something else?
Yeah, opening balance only. So since I have posted wrong opening balance for inventory stock, when I do my transactions, when I make a purchase and make a sale, at that time the cost for the sale will be taken for cost of goods sale from this rate. Actually, it is a wrong rate.
Actually, no. It will. There are cost price will be. There are three places. One is you are entering manually. Another one is system calculated. Okay, so that one let me show you. So for opening balances only, you can go to release product, product information management, products, release products. So if you go to the item master, if you go inside, it is opening now. Give me a minute. Okay, so I have explained, whenever I'm explaining about inventory closing process, I have explained in the on hand inventory inside. If you go inside search name, this is calculating cost price, am I right? Can you modify? Can you enter here? No.
No,
This
correct.
is
We are not
calculate.
modifying, but my initial rate itself is wrong, no, sir.
I will tell you. I will tell you. Okay. So this is system calculated. Now in the opening balance, you don't have calculations. It will be zero only. So for opening balances, this is here. Look at this one. In the like manage cost, you can enter opening balance. For only for opening balances, you are considering this one.
Okay, it's fine. Good.
Only you are entering manually. Only for opening balance. After that, continuation inside, it will be whatever it is there. That one only it will calculate the consideration for the running transactions. Only for opening balances, you have system to verify to enter the cost price. Got it?
Okay, fine.
Yeah. So inventory costing, inventory methods, there are so much information. It is in T&L topic, but like cost price can be entered manually, can be system calculated. So cost price you are entering manually for this one because you don't have any purchases, you don't have any sales. Then how can you enter that cost price? It is not possible. So you are arriving this cost price. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So any more questions, team? Anyone? Actually, this challenge, if you are not able to follow, don't worry. Your senior consultant will take care about this one because you are going to become a only junior consultant, maybe 3 years, 2 years, whatever you are learning. This is 2 to 3 years knowledge you are gaining. A senior person means 5 to 6 years, 7 years persons. They will take care about this one. Sometimes they are also not doing properly. Just give me a minute. And so I'm sorry, I have received a call. So now this, whatever you are facing this challenge, like this like opening balances import means, see, and one more session I'm giving you. Suppose go live is on 1st May 2022. This is your company go live. This is go live. Now you need to enter on 30th April 2022. You need to enter the balances as closing balances. Y. I can enter on 1st May, but I'm suggesting you to enter this one because initially suppose they have given like suppose 150,200, the balance is 25,000. That then later they will come back, no Tuch, it is not 25,000, it is 23,000. Then can you modify this 23,000? Is it possible to modify?
No.
Once transaction is posted, it is not possible. Then what I have to do? 150,200, I need to enter minus 2,000. This, if you enter here, it will not be good, like good. If you enter here like this on this day, then opening balance it will show you 23,000. Got it? This will be here. The net balance will be displayed on 1st of May. So don't enter the opening date entry, try to enter the closing date entry. Definitely there will be plus or minuses, modifications will be there. It will be. Okay, this plus one is this one. Suppose your go live is, take the example, go live is 01, suppose January 2023. Then try to enter on 31st December 2022 and run the year end close. What is the problem? You will learn that year end closing process also. If it is financial year is Jan to December. So enter the balances on this day and run the year end close, then it will become this opening balance for the next year. Understood? Opening balance for the next year. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So your wish, this is anyhow, of course I told you like this is opening balances migration. So if you remember, like the implementation methods I have explained last Thursday or Friday we have discussed. This will be done by majorly by senior consultants, not junior, senior consultants. And here I'm telling you this one is opening balance collection. Senior consultant will be there. But if in case I saw many senior consultants, they are doing so many mistakes. And sometimes being a junior consultant, you can jump into that issue and you can resolve that issue. Then you will be identified as a very good resource. Knowledge is always, it's a weapon to you. So that is the reason I'm showing you this process, the complexity, which is even 5 years, 6 years, 10 years experience people. My friends also getting this kind of problems. I'm telling you, my friends means my junior, my senior experienced people, 10 years, 15 years experienced people also, they are doing mistake. They are migrating this data. Simply. Then this will not be tallied. Who will take care? I can't. Once it is migrated with this balance, then no one will help you. They will push you like the problem is these people will complain on you and you are complaining to this one because your project manager don't know about that one. Damn sure. Because project manager may not be coming from finance background, he cannot understand what it is, and you will like no one will help you if you do mistakes. I mean to say, if you have some 5 years, 6 years, 7 years experience, at that time if you are doing this opening balances, then please take care about this information, or you can suggest your senior consultant, you can suggest to your senior consultant, don't do this one, we'll do this one only. The sum of the balances will be posted to here. What is this balance? What is this? It will post to some account. And there is a difference. It is not showing. Customer will come back. So sum of the total balance is not tallying with this one. This is your wish, your responsibility. You need to verify. We need to throw it away into the accountant role. Accounts I mean to say push ball. You know that one, the game push ball. Whoever is having that ball, that person is out. It is moving. The ball is moving continuously between one person to another person. That person should throw it to opposite person so that you are in safe. So if you are entering these balances, you are in the safe. If you are keeping with you this balance and if you are entering this balance, you are in a dangerous position. Understood? Any more questions, please?
Sir, I have one question. Yeah, so in opening balance activity, we take one offset account, okay, that we call as suspicious account. So when we transfer our balance like customer, vendor, item, fixed asset, bank, and then your chart of account. When we post this balance, then all entries goes into their respective account, and their opposite entry goes into offset account.
Exactly.
Okay, and when that offset account balance becomes zero, that time we can
Always.
consider our balance is tallying.
Exactly, you're right. Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
So in
Yeah.
your case, you are saying like for customer we are taking different offset account, for vendor we are taking different offset account. Then how our balance will get tally?
This will be total will be zero.
Okay. When we add all those offset account balance, then that
Yeah, zero.
balance.
Yeah. In the
Okay.
last, whatever you are entering, it should be zero only, always. The total sum.
All account balance.
Yeah. Of course, this is some value. This is some value
Correct.
and value. This is some value like this. There are so many, but this total sum should be zero.
Should be zero. Okay. Understood.
Okay. If it is some balances are like sum of the balances, this sum of the balances is not tallying to zero means something went wrong.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay. Understood. Thank you.
Fine. Welcome. Any more questions, please? So whoever is accountants, whoever is earlier experience in dynamics, or whoever is experienced in accounts, whoever is in strong in commerce, whatever I have explained today, those people only can understand. For some junior people, you may not understand. If it is not able to understand, leave it. Don't worry on this one. It is not your task at all. But see, you are targeting for like initially for 100 marks, you are targeting for 60 marks, at least first class. And my explanation, this one is 95th mark. If you are getting already 95 marks, if you want to get 96 mark, 1 mark, you need to learn a lot. That's what I am explaining here. Okay, so don't worry if you are not able to follow. Few people, maybe very few people, may not understand this one, whatever I have explained today topic. If you are not able to follow, don't worry. Don't worry on this process. Leave it. It is not for you. If you are not able to follow, if you are able to follow, your knowledge is reaching to 80%, 90%, 95%. So even if I get 40 marks, I will pass. Even I get 95 marks, I will pass. But there is a difference. At least I should be getting 60 to 80 marks. It should be average. Okay, so whatever I have given explanation today, this is for 95 marks question. Understood? So maybe for few people it is bouncing, you are not able to follow. Try to repeat the session, try to read the revisit the video recording session and try to understand. If you are able to understand, well and good. If you are not able to understand, leave it. But from tomorrow onwards, whatever I'm going to explain you, that one everyone should understand. Each and everyone should understand. It is most important. New company creation process. Of course, PDC is pending. I have not cleared this one. We'll discuss this one PDC later. This is a small topic, but important is tomorrow I'm going to start new company creation process. Please don't miss the session from tomorrow onwards. Okay, fine. Any more questions? Please let me know. If any more questions, let me know. Otherwise, we can wind up the session for today. We'll connect once again tomorrow, 8 a.m. IST. See you all. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.